Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
Alright, more Vietnam motorcycle adventures with Angelo, and I am at Moto Laurie right here. So today I saw that last night actually it was soft, and I thought for sure this is it. I was like, well, that looks like it's almost sideways. You know, I'm not sure that's it, but maybe it's in and then bent over. I don't know, but it went through twice. Isn't that nice? Now, the real, you know, something has to be going in. But today when I filled it up, thank God my homestay, which is like a bed and breakfast, had a, we call them homestays here. They're like little hotels. There's another bigger hole with nothing in it that's blowing a lot of air. So I'm not sure it can be fixed, you know, because I've got a long ride to get back to Nha Trang. Well, I wanted to go home a different way through Dalat through Nha Trang is a very, very nice ride. I did it before, and it's all mountains, and there's a lot of space where there's nothing. So you get a flat tire in there, you're in trouble. But yeah, so I'm thinking even I went from here to back the same way to Ho Chi Minh. It's a little more boring ride, but there's a lot more shops. The point is, I just want to make sure it's done and done right, because you don't want to fail. You're in the middle of nowhere. So about this motorcycle shop, Moto Laurie, breakfast, brunch, lunch, pizza, while you're getting your motorbike fixed, and beer, good times, food, coffee, cake, good stuff. So you can sit and you can chill. And the other thing I like to see is that they got bikes, so they know their stuff, because there are two types of mechanics, guys. If you're thinking about buying a bike or getting into a motorcycle for the first time, there's small engine mechanics and large engine mechanics, and they're completely different. Same concept, they run on air, fuel, and spark, but the same, not the same knowledge as far as repair goes. So it's pretty cool. Like a little stunt bike almost. I love sport bikes, but my legs are too damn short. There's some Harley, good stuff. Cool, good stuff. This is awesome, man. Pretty cool, pretty cool.
2.5 litre, and maybe the top spec is a 3 litre.
Well, this was a test out in Australia. So
Yeah. The current one is a...
It's like that wasn't even in there. Yeah.
The top spec model is
Another one over there.
this
That's
is
great.
2021 built, but it's a 2020 model. Yeah, it's 4x4 manual.
Might be short. No, that one's got air. Little fucking thing too. Damn. Crazy. So they're working on the tire. They got the food, this bike shop, and they got a place to eat out back, kind of overlooking the river. Check this out.
And also factory chicken as well.
Beautiful. Landscape. So still at the nice tire repair shop. This is one of the most sought after 4x4 trucks. Very strong Toyota Land Cruiser. Really awesome. Check that out. 5,383 kilometers. Not bad. But I mean, it looks pretty good. Inside, and everything seats back there. Big leaf springs. Pretty sure it's a solid. Cool. Big winch. Alright, so this is Angelo Dream Big Kid, and I am at motorcycle shop Lauri Bike Shop. And well, my bike is getting repaired over there. I found 2 objects in the tire, and it was leaking from somewhere else. And you can have breakfast, eggs benedict, and an omelet. Yes. All right, so again, I'm at the Moto Laurie motorcycle shop. They do big bikes, little bikes, dirt bikes. I've had the omelets and the eggs benedict, and the omelet came with a little side salad. It would have great balsamic. I'm pretty sure there's a little balsamic in there. Vinaigrette dressing, and it's very hard to find a very good vinaigrette in Vietnam. So if you're coming, you know how to make your own seasonings, your own salad dressing. Bring everything you need. Anyways, how cool is this? They got a little place to sit outside, nice little view, little river. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Great customer service. Picking up the. She already picked up my. Just turned that way. So cool. Yeah, I'm loving this. So again, the shop here is called Moto Laurie. Moto Laurie. Breakfast, brunch, lunch, and pizza. I've had all of them except the pizza. But nice bikes. You can see they do mechanical, they do electrical. Harley, dirt bikes. I'm in Dalat, Vietnam is a mountainous city, and there's a lot of off-road trails, which I would love to do, but I don't think I'll ever be able to do it, except maybe on a 125, because I've got little short dwarfed legs. But the shop would not be complete. I had the omelet, and I had 2 orange juice, and now I'm on a bottle of water, so good food. And the shop would not be complete without a guard dog. So, but really nice people, and they all love talking about bikes and stuff, so pretty cool. And the customers I've met here, pretty nice also. So while I was sitting here just chilling, waiting for the tire to come back, I upstairs. So let me go show you what that looks like. Pretty cool, man. Some bench seats. Nice table, nice chairs, nice decoration, you know, it's cozy. You can sit there and chill and just watch the motorbikes be repaired. So, nice cozy space. You can tell it's definitely got a woman's touch. Kind of cool in a motorcycle shop. Never expected this. One other thing I wanted to point out, if you don't have mechanical knowledge, you don't have knowledge about tools. I can tell you right now, this shop has the right tools. They spend the right money for the right machines to get the job done right. A lot of motorbikes, like cars, used to be steel wheels, now they're all aluminum, and the wrong machine can mess up a nice wheel. So they've got the tools to do the job right here. Another thing that I was impressed with this shop, they actually balance the tires. A lot of most of Vietnam, I'd say 80% of the traffic is scooters, 125 cc's. Those little motorbikes, you don't really need to balance the tires because they're only going to do 30 kilometers an hour. Well, I'm sorry, they'll do about 70. I don't know what kilometer it is now. Shit, they'll do about 100 kilometers an hour downhill with the wind on your back. But you're not going to feel an out of balance tire on a little motorbike. But on a big motorbike, yes, you must definitely balance the tire. Balancing machine, that's what we're doing now. So I came back to eat breakfast here because the egg benedict is killer. The omelet, this guy was sleeping, but now he's a bundle of joy. What's his name? Hype? Hype. His name is Hype. Oh yes, you're just a big fatty boy, huh? Come here, I held you. Come on. Is this your bottle? Is this your bottle? Is that your bottle? Yes. He's so hyper now. He was just sleeping. He was just sleeping all day. And now you awake. You big guard dog. He likes to play bite. You like to play bite, huh? Yeah? You like to play bite. Good times. Again, just a testimony to their service. A lot of foreigner business, a lot of dirt bikes, big bikes. But yeah, nice people and knowledgeable. Second morning in Dalat. It's my breakfast. Boom. Eggs benedict at Moto Laurie, the motorcycle shop. Get your oil changed, get ready for the ride back, sit out here and chill. All right, we are my third day at Moto Laurie, her first day. Say hello for me. Me phone. And she's having an omelet. Yes. So you can sit in here, your motorbikes are getting fixed, and you can have beer, you can have water, you can have smoothies, you can have cappuccino. Good stuff. The omelets come with a little salad. They also got awesome eggs benedict. They got they got breakfast, lunch, dinner, pizza, you name it. So yeah, cool place. This guy started in Ho Chi Minh a few years, had a little dirt bike shop there, and then he's been here a couple years. So, and for coronavirus, he's doing very, very well. So good reviews online, and good with big motorbikes. So if you're taking a long trip, need an oil change, you might want to stop here. and anything else you need done. I picked up 2 nails, and I had a separate puncture hole with no object. I had three holes in my tire. That's how I first found this shop. So they took care of it. Good times.
So that's why he liked me.
There's the big guard dog. Big guard dog at the motorcycle shop. Yeah, he's gonna play bite. He's gonna play bite your arm too. Watch. It's just when you rough him, when you pet him hard, he's gonna start to play bite you. Watch. Yeah. Yeah, you big fatty boy. You big fatty boy. Yeah. Got your bottle. Got your bottle. Yeah. Look at. He loves bottles. Look at his face. That's pretty good what he's thinking. All right, babe. Do you know what this is?
Say it, fast Wi-Fi.
What is it?
Fast Wi-Fi. So what?
Hold it. Do you know what that is?
No.
It's brakes. Brake pads. It's your brake pad. So this is metal. This is metal, and this is the actual pad. This is made of a different material. Some are made of 2 different materials. Some are made of 1. In the old days, they used to have asbestos. It was bad for you to breathe this when it was burning. A lot of mechanics got problems with their lungs now because when they bang this, the dust comes off and goes in their lungs. Good times. Okay, so what's this called? What's this called? I'll tell you brake pad.
Brake
Pad. Like maxi pad, you know, for girls, pad. Brake pad. So what happens? Okay, let me show you. Teach you some mechanics here, okay? Put your hands together like this. Put your hands together. Okay, wait. One hand. Your hand is the spinning tire. Tire's spinning, okay? There's 2 pads. They squeeze like this. They squeeze the disc. Your hand is the disc. After a while, these wear down. When they start touching, they make noise. They usually have a little sensor. The sensor touches her, so you know when it makes a noise, go get them fixed because you're running out. They're usually this thick when they new, so this one's about half gone. Brake pad. Brake pads by Angelo. How do you feel about that class?
What class?
Brake pads.
Boring. What's that?
Huh? What's that? That's a flower.
It's a guava. Wait, I say it.
Guava?
Guava.
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 Guava. Baby
Salad.
guava?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Salad.
Oh, okay. All right,
Guava?
cool. Guava.
Guava.
Cool. We're having the motorbike done again. Sitting here enjoying the view. Oh, wow. This is so sad. Oh my God, this is so sad. Yesterday, this river, I could see through it yesterday. And now it is green. And it's, oh my God, so sad. That's all the tourists that are here. And it's going to be going into the ocean somewhere. Sad. This is another thing she loves to do. She acts like she's going to give it to me, and she just keeps blowing at it. And I'm like, see, she never gives it. She just keeps blowing like an asshole. Yeah.
This is like asshole.
Good omelet. It's like a Denver omelet. Bell peppers, onions, tomatoes. All right, this is Angelo Dream Big Kid, and I am again at Moto Laurie. This is Mr. Laurie himself. Started in Ho Chi Minh a couple years, few years. Now here 2 years. Is that right?
About 3 years.
About 3 years. Crazy.
About a year now.
I came back here for breakfast. They have a nice breakfast menu, nice staff. I forgot your name. And what's your name? Train. So good food. She made great eggs Benedict, omelets, salad, you name it. They've got breakfast, lunch, and dinner. A pretty course menu. Boom. But most importantly, they know big motorbikes, and his staff is very knowledgeable. They know big motorbikes. A lot of work I have done in Vietnam. I was just discussing with them. The mechanics just get it running, and the minimum to get it running, they don't do it right. But here, it's done right. So when I first got here, I had 3 objects in my rear tire, 2 nails and a puncture hole. I had a USB charging thing that my dad bought for me, or Fung's dad bought for me. He's going to be my dad soon. And the wiring failed. They put it together real cheap, so it's not been grounding well. And then today I'm having that repaired. So First day I came for the tire. Second day I came just for breakfast, and I love chatting with all the customers. You can sit along the river, which is where Fung is at now. Beautiful river. You can sit upstairs and chill. And Lauri, what are your hours? Days, hours?
We work 6 days a week from 8 to 6. We're shut on Tuesdays.
Tuesdays off. Okay, Tuesdays off. Not bad. So they're here for the busy days. In Dalat, Vietnam, it gets a lot more busy on the weekend. So if you're coming, you want some peace and quiet, I recommend you come on a weekday and stay for the weekend. Go back Monday. Good times. Check it out. Let me show you what it looks like from the outside. All kinds of big motorbikes, Harleys, dirt bikes. And they're what I like about these guys too, they're enthusiasts. You know what I mean? They actually love what they do. So I like to motivate people, and that's the main goal of the channel. And there's an old saying, if you do something you love, you never work a day in your life. I forgot your name.
My name's Han.
Han. Angelo again. Thank you. I'm going to do a YouTube video for you guys, all right? He's very good customer service also. And he's also really good at helping their social media. So, all right. See you soon. Real quick, here's the view from the river. Time I had it in some of the other videos yesterday. Now, and a little sad thing about Vietnam. Here's my eggs benedict. Woo, with bacon. Oh, man. You like that? You like that asparagus? Good? Yeah. So, yes, sad thing about Vietnam. Man, they don't have sewage systems. Most cities don't. Now, some ocean cities are getting better about it because they realize they're killing their tourism when the water's not clean. People want to come to the beach, don't want to swim in foggy water. Yesterday was actually clear. I could see to the bottom all the way across. Today it is green, and you can see, some of the pollution. But, I know I do my part. I don't throw stuff that I know is going to go down the street. I don't dump, anything in the water that I wouldn't want in the ocean. So, unfortunately, like I said, most of the sewage water runoff goes into rivers. Rivers get filled by high tide, low tide washes back out into the river, and every day it repeats. So Vietnam, if you can make an improvement, please clean up your waste. Okay, I can't say enough about Moto Laurie. So I was out eating my breakfast, and Lauri came out and said, hey, I noticed that's not really being needed. Maybe there was, I bought this bike with 3,000 kilometers on it, but there was probably another switch here at one time, or like an LED light or something. And I'm not using it, so he asked me, do you want me to take the wires out? And I'm like, yeah, because my USB thing started shorting, and I know it started shorting here, but they're cheap. They did basic wiring. They're doing it right. I also noticed, because I do have some mechanic background, he's doing it right. He's actually running the wire through insulation, so better protection. He's just not throwing raw wires up on there and wrapping it with duct tape, or wrapping it with electric tape. He's running it through an insulation sleeve, so that's the right way to do it. So like I said, they know their shit, so come here if you need help.